Getting started with block coding.
Block-based coding uses drag-and-drop approach. It's a programming activity to develop computational thinking. You can use coding instruction blocks to perform a variety of tasks. To display a message, "Hello World," follow the given steps. Step 1. Visit the link https://arcade.makecode.com/makecodearcadeopens. Step 2. Click on New Project. Write the name of your project, Hello World, and then click on Create. The following screen appears. Blocks are placed here to execute the steps. Step 3. From the blocks, choose Game and then select Splash. It will appear on the workspace as shown. Step 4. Drag the Splash block and drop it in this On Start block. Step 5. Type the message "Hello World" in the Splash block and the output screen will display the message "Hello World." Well done! You have created your first block code program.